reappropriating the very sense of what the economy is. When I started as a community organizer, I really thought the economy was an exact science. I believed economists and the stock market, sort of that was where the economy happened. To realize that the economy is a Greek word that comes from order in the house, which is why women have to get involved in the economy, by the way. And so the whole issue of reappropriating the economy and taking it back as our own has been an important thing. We talk a lot about occupying Wall Street. Well, our vision has been, it's good to occupy Wall Street, but it's most important is to occupy the economy. And to do that, we've built we've worked on building an ecosystem of all the different kinds of tools that you need to develop the economy, but based on our values, controlled by the movement. So if you get into financial instruments, we're talking about a whole new economic logic and financial logic, and mainly controlled by those who are using the capital, because the problem with the system today is those who control capital decide how development takes place, and it should be us doing development that decide how capital is being used. Another thing that's been really important so this ecosystem has been really important.